Dennis's first pass, getting smoke. You notice how he's over it, head, shoulders over it, gets that downward pressure. Should I take over? Keep it running in a little bit. Next one. You got one? Yeah, we got a colt. Sick. One more pass. Oh. What? I don't know. Instead of shaving up top, so did you see that? It kind of flicks them away. Sorry, spindle. I don't know if you can see that. Started fraying. Started kicking duff away. She's a beauty, huh? Now what Dennis is gonna do is bring the tinder bundle over. We're gonna move slow. We got a little bit of time. He's gonna pick that up with his knife, and you can scooch it on. Knife, just like that. Picks it up, puts it gently into the tinder bundle, and he's gonna get the rest of that sawdust, put it on there. Helps get the coal a little bit bigger. You have time, you don't have to hurry when you get the coal. You have a few seconds, minute. So take your time, catch your breath. He's covering the coal up so he doesn't have direct breath on it. And he's not gonna put pressure on yet, but he's gonna gently blow. And then once he blows more and more, he's gonna put more and more pressure on. And you don't wanna blow too hard, otherwise you're gonna blow the coal out. And you wanna have it tight enough so the coal doesn't blow through the back. Not too tight that you squeeze the coal. You know what they would call that? Loads of finesse. You can see it in there. I'm gonna have to grip it. He's gonna you can see the coal in there. Glowing, getting bigger. And now it's smoking a lot, so Dennis is holding it above him so the smoke goes up, and he's not putting his face over it so smoke doesn't go into his face. He's gonna keep blowing. Keep blowing. Oh, I see flames. Yee! Fire! Alright, we'll put it over here. Get your small sticks. You can put them on. Go up a notch. Got some good flame in there. You can throw that on. Then you don't have to be so gentle. You just want to get some sticks on there. Take some more. Look at all that small stuff. Oh, that's so good. Oh, yeah. Folks, and that's how you do a hand drill fire off of coyote willow right here, and off of an old fence post. It's cedar right here. That's an old fence post. And yeah, we just used this notch right here. And that halfway through the baseboard, so we can definitely hit that another time, get another coal out of that same notch. But here's our fire going. We'll catch you in a second when we start roasting the tuna. Ha, catch. Because we totally caught this tuna.